Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to B&M Garden Centre. So let's see what new plants they have. I already feel so much calmer walking in here, and I think we'll go to the very left and make our way from the left to the right. So nice here. Oh my gosh, look at this color, and it's £8.50. I'm not gonna pronounce the name, so I'll just show you. Let me know if it's annual or not. Then they have this beautiful orange plant. I think that these are lilies for £10. Oh yeah, it is a lily. Then they have these ones for £8.50. Is this olive tree? Yeah, olive 35 litre for £100. Then good old good classic geraniums for £3.50, and I really like the color. Let me know if you have a garden, or if you're like me who's dreaming about having a garden one day. Then also have dahlias. I've never seen dahlias at B&M before. £3.50 or 4 for 10. So they have pink one and the orange one. Let me know which one do you like more. Then there are also these massive plant pots for $29.99. And more dahlias, I think. Oh yeah, they are £6.50, and they're a little bit bigger. So they have this like white and pink, then white and orange. Gerbera. My mom loves gerberas. And I really like this color. I love this camera because I can show you the colors really well. Then they also have yellow one. It's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to have a garden one day. Which way do I go now? And I also like these ones. I think they're like little kiss. How much are you? Let me find out. So they are £3 each, or 3 for 6. And then on the other side, they have plant pots, and they have different styles and sizes. So the saucer is £1.99 for the smaller one. The plant pot is £3.99. So they're very good prices. I mean, they're made out of plastic, but depending where you're gonna need them or store them. So these tall ones are £6.50, and they have this light purple one and a dark purple. Oh, I can feel my hay fever. Then they also have these ones. Is it? Oh yeah, it is wooden ones made out of oak. And the one at the top is $17.99, and the one in the middle is $16.99, and the massive one is $29.99. Then they also have these plant pots in dark grey and white. I figured I'll just show you all the plant pots now, so then you can focus on the plants themselves. Oh, this one's massive. Oh, I like ooh, ooh, look at the details. And I really like the big one. That one doesn't have a price, but I like it. Oh, if you need a wheelbarrow, can you see that? Because I can't see the screen. It's $49.99. Then there's these plants for £10. And more beautiful. It's like a bush or something. What is your call? What is your call? What is your name? Oh, there we are. Something standard for £8.50. Oh, this will be beautiful by the front door. That one is £8.50, and it's very big for that price. Rhodo for £12.50. More bushes for £15. This one's big as well. That one is £8.50. Good. Oh, I recognize this one. I love this one. It's a lavender for £8.50. Then they have these ones. And bedding plant. This is the name. 3 for £6 or £3 each. So you do get some saving right there. And so we call these in Czech record player because of the design of the petals. And again, 3 for 6 or £3 each, and they got different colors. And then this one looks like Is it jasmine? No, it's not. It looks like jasmine to me. So they are both £15. This one is 17 centimeter tall and £8.50, and looks like they got different varieties. This one's alpine for £5, but she is beautiful. Look how she looks like when she opens. And what else? Oh, behind me. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. Then they have these roses, and they are £15.50. They do look like they've been either they got either frostbites or too much sun. So you know, up to you. And then this one is beautiful, and it's £35, and they also have it in pink. Then they have these ones. Oh, there's a little bumblebee. Oh, I feel like I'm in a BBC now. Oh, where are you going? Can you see him? Oh, there we go. He found some. Yeah, you get in there. Oh my God, can you see? I don't know if I'm filming him or not. Sorry guys, but I'm just like very fascinated. How do they know where to find it and how to store it? And look at his hard worker. You getting more? There he is now. Okay, I'm gonna leave him to work. Then they have these ones for £18.50. Oh, he left. And more plants over here. Let me know if you ever bought plants from B&M and are you happy with them? Another fun fact, we call these wax crayons. So here's some fun facts about Czech and how we're calling plants in today's video as well. So if you want to know more about Czech Republic or how we call different things, just feel free to subscribe. It's for free, you don't pay anything to me or to YouTube. And here are some plants that you can hang in your baskets. So for example this one, so we call this Mateška. Then these beautiful colors. Oh, garden centers make me so happy, and the fact that I'm doing this before work as well. I hope that I'll have better working day today. Oh, these are so beautiful. These Gerbera. Yeah, £4 for the smaller ones, and 2 for £12 of these hanging baskets. So I think that's a good deal as well. I remember this one from last year. Citron fragrant. How much are you? Oh, £5. Oh, no, it's geranium. Oh, it does smell like lemon. Very strange. Lavender one, saffron, orange, rose. Oh my gosh, you guys, what if I just find out? And more geraniums. These are the big ones, and they are £5. So these are great if you don't want to get the little ones and wait for them to grow. They also have lavandula. What's the difference between lavandula and lavender? Let me know. These alpines are £8.50, and you do get 6. And I think that they grow really well. And basically, I think they're the kind of plant, if you buy one, they spread a lot. Also, like this lettuce. It's $32.99 though. I think it's a bit too much. But let me know what you think, because I don't actually buy these things. I don't have a garden yet. I found their vegetables. So they got snug cucumber, red pepper, mud chili red. And how much are you? Oh, and cherry tomatoes. Oh, they already have some tomatoes on them. And £8.50. They also have strawberries for £4, and you get 6. So 6 modules for £6. Or these ones, 5 for £5. That's even better. They also have tomatoes, 5 for 5. Or £1.50 each. So there's another saving. More cherry tomatoes. And what else is here? Is this sage? Oh, it is. Oh my god, look at me. I recognize sage. Sage for for £10 or £3.50 each. Then they have this plant, thyme, for £3.50. Then this beautiful plant called Senetti for £5, and they got dark like purple and blue color. These ones are on sale for £1.50. I would like to buy them, but I don't want to buy if they die, if they only last a year. So let me know, do these last more than a year? Bedding plants £3.50 down to £1.75. Petunia, I'm sure that they only last a year. And they have more on sale here. I mean, this one's pretty much dead, isn't it? And they want £5. Let me know, can it come back to life? Then they have some bushes for £4.25. These ones are £3.75. And basically, sorry. Yep, that's all the noise. Yeah, discount is my favorite section of every store. So I think that this is where I'll end the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm not sure how long it is. But thank you so much for coming, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, have a good day, and let me know if you do some gardening. Bye, friends.